Go from 40 seconds to 40 minutes with these ingredients. Go from 40 seconds to 40 minutes with these powerful ingredients. This and this. Are you a man that doesn't last longer in bed? Maybe you have tried many recipes, then it doesn't work for you. Are you a man, it doesn't take time for you to ejaculate, or it doesn't satisfy your woman in bed? Try this powerful recipe today. You must come back and give me testimony. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good video. But before I proceed once again, I want to say a very big thanks to all my subscribers, to all my supporters, people that support this channel. May God bless each and every one of you. I will never disappoint all of you out there. I will make sure that I will keep giving you people the best remedy. But I want you people to bear in mind that body system differs. That you try this recipe, it does not work for you, it does not mean that it will never work for another person. If you try other recipes, it doesn't work, try another. You must get a result. This is a natural remedy, and all these things are fruit. I have never recommended acid to anyone. I have never recommended anything that is not eatable or edible to anyone. But I am recommending natural food or natural fruits that God gave us to you people. And I bet you that all these fruits work. They build up our immune system. They make us to be healthy. So as you're taking these fruits, whether you get results or you never get, at least you are building up your immune system. You are getting vitamins that will help you to fight diseases. That is another benefit you will get from this recipe. So do not bother or do not feel that all these things are not working. If they are not working, I will never recommend them to you people. But consistent intake of all this will give you a result that you want. I believe and I bet you. So if you take all these things, take them consistently. At least they are fruits. They are eatable. I myself, I do take them consistently. They work for me, and I believe that they will work for you. But bear in mind that my own body system and your own is not the same. I might get immediate results, and you might not get it that same day. So bear in mind that body system differs. Now, how are you going to use these fruits to help you or to make you last longer in bed? How are you going to use all these ingredients to be a man of 40 seconds to 40 minutes? It is very simple. All you have to do is to take this fruit as I am going to teach you or direct you. Number one is the bean nut or date nut. Peel it into two. Remove the solid seed. The solid seed is not needed. All you need is the outer. After you might have washed it, make sure that you keep hygiene to avoid disease or constipation. Watch all these things thoroughly, especially this date nut. Then after you might have break it, remove the solid seed. Then take only the outer. Take it as much as you can. Then put it in a blender. The same thing with this banana. Take as much as you can. Peel it. cut it into pieces so that it can be easily blended. Put it in a blender too. Then add milk inside. Then blend all. Do not filter. At least take the fiber. Do you know one thing with fiber? Like this date nut contain fiber. Do you know the importance of fiber? Fiber aids in walking. Fiber helps in walking. As you are walking, fiber help in walking. So do not filter. Take it like that. Okay, even if you did not blend, at least some people chew this. They take everything together. So it will not kill you or it will not harm you. Blend all of them. Do not filter. Do not heat or boil. Take it naturally, morning and night. Consistently, you will be a man of 40 minutes. You will be a man that will go from 40 seconds to 40 minutes. So try this recipe. I believe it will work for you, and I believe you will have a testimony. I love you all, and I'll keep giving you people the best and the best. Thank you to all my subscribers once again. I love you all. For people that support this channel, may God bless each and every one of you, and I will never disappoint each and every one of you. So thank you for stopping by. If you like this video and you found this video helpful, hit the like button, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content. Or once you turn on the notification bell, you will never miss out any of my upcoming videos. That is why you need to hit the notification bell so that it will notify you anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Put your comment in the comment section below. I promise that I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I love you all, and I will keep giving you people the best. Thank you once again. See you in my next video. Bye.